And there they go. It was great hanging out with my friends from Ontario for a week. Really had a good time with them hanging out and everything else, but I need to get some stuff done on the van. I've been avoiding it all this week. I've just had too much fun hanging out and sitting around the camp with Rick and Sandy. So I got to get some repairs done. Get the microwave fixed, get the my freshwater tank sensor fixed, get my Starlink. Holy cow. I got stuff to do, and all the dust in the van. I think I'm going to wait till Yuma for that one. And I got to wash it. I can't wait to wash it to get all the salt and muck off this thing. But yeah, that's where we're at. Time to get this van cleaned up, fixed up. Uma, what you doing? Come. Are you sad that your friends left? It's okay. Yeah, another week of her being so good off leash. She's been off leash almost the whole time here, other than in the mornings when I'm having my coffee inside. But yeah, she's doing great. And it's her birthday this week. Uma turns 3 years old. Holy cow, I can't believe I've had her that long already. Time flies when you're having fun. Wow. So yeah, I got a birthday cake for her and a couple little things. So yeah, it's time to celebrate Uma's birthday this week. So cool. All right, well, somebody's not going to be happy with me. I know she didn't like the reindeer antlers very much, but say happy birthday to the birthday girl. Oh my goodness, you're 3 years old? You're gonna have to put your birthday outfit on you? We'll give this a shot. I'll be right back. Come here, pretty girl. Let's put your crown on you. Here we go. You stay. Good girl. Look at the princess. Oh my goodness. What a pretty girl you are. Oh my goodness, look at you. All dressed up in your tutu and your tiara. You don't look impressed, Uma. You don't like it? You want your cake? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uma. Happy birthday to you. Oh my goodness, you want a piece of your cake? Oh my goodness, you want that? So much for her crown. It's all dusty and dirty already. Oh well, that's a one-off. It's okay. There she is with her birthday bandana on. Looking for more cake? I'll get you some more cake. So yeah, other than it being a fantastic day and Uma's birthday, it's going to be hot today actually. I think it's going up to 30 Celsius, which is like 90. You want a piece? There you go. Yeah, I got a notification this morning that the Starlink package is being returned to sender. I guess there was something wrong with the address or something. Tried calling UPS, tried calling Canada Post to see if I could correct it, and they can't modify an address once it's been put down, and once it's been put on return to sender, there's nothing they can do. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to wait probably another 2 weeks before I see my Starlink. It's got to go all the way back to Canada, and then my daughter's got to remail it and come all the way back again. What a pain in the butt. Holy cow. Didn't think it was going to be that difficult to get my package here, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm trying to stay as long as I can in Quartzsite here, because I can only stay at the Thousand Trails Park in Yuma for 2 weeks at a time. So I want to make sure that I'm there for the package. Obviously, I don't want it delivered to this mailing address, the same place, and then have them screw it up again. So I'll wait till I get to the RV park and yeah, I'm kind of hoping to wait till maybe Monday or Tuesday, and then my dental appointment is on Wednesday. So hopefully that gives me enough time for the Starlink to get home and ship back and everything else, and I can be on the road with internet. It's such a pain without having internet. I did get an extra 5 gigs of hotspot on my phone, but I pretty well used that up. It's already at 75% after a couple weeks. So yeah, that's a pain in the butt, but it is what it is. At least the weather's nice. No snow. That's all I care about. Right, Uma? Here's your birthday girl. Alright, well, I think I got it fixed. It was this one. I just stripped some of the wire and wrapped it around the screw head. Seemed like the easiest job to do out here in the desert. And tightened it back down again. I didn't know if I could remove the screw completely or not, or if water would start coming out it. So yeah, I just thought that was my safest bet for fixing it at the time. I won't know if it's working until my tank's at a third or below because of the sensor. But yeah, I think that'll work, definitely. That's one thing fixed. Off to the microwave. Well, there's the problem. I can't believe I didn't notice that before. The plug's just sitting right there in the dust. Oh, well, at least I can pull the microwave out and hopefully it'll be working again. Nice. What the heck? I can't believe I never looked down that gap before. Like, I stand here all the time cooking and doing stuff, making coffee, whatever, and I can't look in that gap. The plug was only like 3 inches in. Unbelievable. But anyway, I've already, I was on a mission, so I already pulled it out, cleaned all the dirt off the top of it, got it plugged back in. Microwave's working. It's a miracle. Man, it helps when appliances are plugged in for them to work. Holy cow. What an idiot I am sometimes. Can't believe I never saw that in all the 7 weeks I was in Mexico, not having a microwave, and I could have just looked in there and fixed the problem. But no, I can't take time out to fix things. Oh well, at least it's clean, and I even got under it. So this microwave has always had like it's been on a tilt for ages. When you tighten down these screws underneath, it always pulled the right side down a lot more because there's a big hole underneath. I saw where the rubber footing was just falling right into the microwave. So that's why. So I had to jury rig some things until I have more hardware stores to choose from. But at least I got it straight for now. So that looks better. That cured my OCD. I've been looking at that for years. I more or less had to turn a blind eye to it. So I didn't see how warped and bent it was. But yeah. So that's good. I got the tank fixed. Got the microwave fixed. Bad news on the Starlink, like I said, that sucks. I'm gonna be without that for at least a couple weeks. Unbelievable. Now what if they screw it up again? I'm not gonna get it till I get home. Holy cow. But I have been cleaning anyway. I got the bathroom all cleaned up. Cleaned all the dirt off the floor in the bathroom. Don't mind my laundry. And yeah, I got nothing better to do. I was actually feeling kind of lonely yesterday after Rick and Sandy left. It's so weird that, you spend days hanging out and laughing and talking around the campsite and days go fly by. And then the day they leave, it's just like, now what? What am I going to do with myself? Holy cow. I was thinking yesterday, I just want to get my Starlink and get out of here. And then I wake up and no Starlink. Starlink's being returned. So yeah, now I got to think about getting out of here. I think I only got like a couple nights of dinners left. Maybe even only one, I don't know. But yeah, I guess I got to start heading to Yuma in a day or two anyway. Got to figure my shit out. Hi, Uma. Oh my goodness. Good girl. Alright guys, I think that's a wrap for this week on Uma's birthday week and me fixing shit around the house. Let me know where you guys are watching from in the comments below. I always like to see where everybody's watching from. Just checking out my solar over here. It's doing well as always in this beautiful blue skies. And yeah, I guess that's it for this week. Guess I'm gonna have to go to frickin' McDonald's or Starbucks or something to upload this video and get some free Wi-Fi. Been a long time since I've had to do that, but have no other choice, unfortunately. So yeah, that's it guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Take care guys.